What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Today I'm gonna talk about 5 best apps for stock images, fonts and illustrations that can give you unlimited high quality content for your Instagram cruises, posters, social media banners, YouTube thumbnails and much more. These apps are my personal favorite and I use them into my graphic designs all the time. If you want to have all those images and all those creative things within your mobile phone, this is the video for you. And also the plus point of this video is you will be getting 30 plus recommended websites that you can go and download stock images, fonts and illustrations. So stick to this video and watch this video till the end, the best 5 apps that I use into my graphic designs. And without any more delay now, let's get started to the video. Pick is Freepik. This is also an application and this is also a website, and I personally like the website part of it. To do that, you will have to open the Chrome browser and search for Freepik like I am doing on the screen right now. Once you do that, you will be getting the first attempt of Freepik right here, and that is the logo, and this is how this site looks like. You will get the first search bar over here and unlimited sources for graphic designers. Like you see on the screen, there are unlimited sources that you can search and copy from. But personally, the images are uploaded over here are with high quality. You can download them with a lot of good search results. Let's say I'm gonna search for something over here, shock man, an expression, and you will be seeing a lot of great images that you can download from this site. These are of course high quality images. These images will be downloaded into a zip file which you will have to extract and you can use after this email. Here as you can see, I am downloading this image from this site, and I have 2 options. You can go although with premium or with free download. I always go with free download. I don't have to have any paid compensation to this, and still I will get a free license to use this image into my graphic designs. Let's extract this file onto my materials, and I'm gonna extract this file over here. Once extracted, get to the folder and go into that folder, and here it is, the image that you can open to your gallery and directly use them to your graphic designs. These images are up to high quality images, the most high quality images, and that's why the app is on the first position to my list. A lot of good images. Also you can download a lot of PNGs, posters, designs, and you can make a lot of difference with this application and website. So if you haven't checked this website out, you can go to the description box and grab the link and go and check out this website and application also. And it's a great tool to use and to download stock footages. There are a lot of them. Most of them are free. I'll try to suggest you the free version of it, and I'm also gonna say that there are free license of this images. I'm gonna put a screenshot of the license images, one of the license images you can get over here, and try to download all the free images over here, and these are good to go for your graphic design. So this is the first pick of my first application, and there is an application also. You can download it from Google Play Store, and this is one of the best applications that I would like to suggest. And let's head over to the next application. And the second recommendation is going to be Pexels. Now Pexels is the app which is quite popular among the graphic designers on Instagram. And this app is quite simple. Once you open the app, you will be able to see a straightforward images, and you can scroll through them and download them. Also you will get a very nice search engine for searching images on this app. And let's say I'm gonna search for something, and once you search that, you will be getting definitely related images with this search engine. Now this is quite helpful when you're downloading a specific images that you need for your design projects. These images are of high quality. They are straight up downloadable to your galleries, and these images are actually good to go for your graphic designs. And for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download this image to your phone directly. Now let's select any image. Let's select this image, and here you can see the download option. Once you click on that, there will be a straight up download option available. Once you click on that, wait for a second, and this image will be downloaded to your galleries. And here is the image. As you can see, the image quality is quite high, and this image is straight up good image to download and use your graphic designs. A very good app, all in all, a good high quality images, and the copyright issues are resolved over here, so you can use them to your projects open-mindedly, and you don't have to worry about any copyright issue. and I will post a screenshot for copyright issues over here on this app on the screen. So go ahead, download this app. You should have this app on your smartphone if you are a graphic designer on mobile. Now let's head over to the next application that we have. The third recommendation is going to be Resplash or Unflash. Now this application is also similar to Pexels, but this app has a lot of different images than Pexels. These images are also of high quality, and this app will also give you the same simple download option with one click, and you will be able to download it. Once you open the app, you will be able to see and search images directly from this app, and as you can see, there are a lot of related images from the search results. Now once you open the image, you will be able to download this image directly to your phone, and this is going to be quite an easy option. Now as you can see, there are a lot of information available for these images, and I'm gonna be posting a screenshot over here that you are able to use images for free, and these are copyrighted free in terms of copyright claims. Now this app has a lot of good backgrounds as well, and I have quite an used backgrounds from this app into my videos and into my graphic design templates. So if you are looking for something like this is going to be also an option for you to have on your phone. Now let's download this pic, and I'm gonna be selecting download option over here and click on download. Once you click on that, the image will straight up download to your phone, as you can see. And once it gets downloaded, you can use this image directly to your designs. This is one of the also very good app that you should have into your collections. And let's move on to the next application that we have. The fourth spot goes to DaFonts. Now this is the application, or rather website, that will let you download fonts for your pixellab for your graphic design work. Now once you open the site, I would rather suggest you to go to the site version of it rather than the application version of it. There is an application version, but I would recommend you to go to the website version. Once you search for DaFonts, you will be able to see the first page like this only. This page will let you download a lot of fonts on the first place, but there are a lot of fonts arranged into a nice neatly order. There are fonts like top fonts that they have calligraphy fonts, they have sans serif fonts, they have bold fonts, they have most popular movies fonts, and a lot of other options to download from. Now once you choose any option, there will be a lot of pages down there, so be sure you check out those pages also. There will be like 40 plus pages available to you to scroll through. Now once you scroll through these fonts, as you can see on the screen, there is an option available to download it. Now let's download one of the fonts over here to show you how you can use them to your pixel app. Let's select the font and click on the download option. Once you click on the download option, the zip file of the font will download to your download folder. Now head over to your download folder and unzip the file into the extraction mode. Once you extract the file from zip file, you will be able to see a folder with the name of the font, and then you will be see file available in that folder. Now copy this file into your fonts folder into your internal storage, as I'm doing on the screen right now. Once you paste this file onto your internal storage font folder, you are good to go. Now you can use this font to your pixellab. It will directly be used by the pixellab application, and you can use it from there directly. This is how you can use it, and this is how I will use, and I am using this fonts for so many years, like 2 to 3 years now. This is one of my favorite apps and sites to download fonts from, and hundreds of thousands of fonts are available over here. So be sure you check out this application or website, and there is a link down below for all the applications and sites that I have suggested right now. And let's head over to the next application. So now on the fifth position we have Ouch. OUCH. Now this is the website. It's great for illustrations. If you want to have any illustrations for your designs, this is the site that I'm gonna suggest you. Now once you search for OUCH on Chrome browser, you will be able to see this website on the first page. That is the home page. Now what I like about this website is there are a lot of categories neatly arranged over the first home page, so you can just search them. These illustrations are available for free to you to download and to use onto your graphic designs, and there are a lot of varieties of illustrations that you can choose from. That is the best thing. Now to download illustrations, what you will have to do is pick the illustration you want to download. Let's say I'm gonna pick this one, and I'm gonna hit the download option for free. Now Obviously you will not get that high quality that you will get for the premium membership, but I'm gonna suggest that you go with the free version and use the graphic design instead, because that is not bad either. So if you want to work with low quality, a bit of low quality PNG files for the graphic illustrations, I'm gonna suggest you to do just that. There are plenty of options that I have already said to you, and you can use them onto your graphic designs for free. So that is also the best part that I would rather have. A great application for illustrations and a great website to you to check out illustrations and insert them to your designs. Definitely check it out, and more plus 30 illustration sites that I'm gonna leave are right here, so also you can go to them and check out. This is my video for the fifth position website, and I hope you will like it. And this is the video, guys. I hope you will enjoy and use all the applications and website that I have suggested, and maybe you can comment down below your favorite websites for graphic design. For now, if you end up liking my work, please hit that like button for this video and subscribe to this channel. I will catch you guys in my next one.